Contra voucher configuration. Record following contra transactions in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details. Cash of Rs 5,000 transferred to petty cash account dated on 1st of April 2023. It is an example of contra transaction where cash fund is transferred to petty cash account. Next, cash of Rs 5,000 deposited in company's bank account dated on 6th of April 2023. Here in this contra voucher, Rs 5,000 of cash deposited in company's bank account. Next, online funds of Rs 12,500 transferred from existing HDFC Bank account to company's new bank account IDFC Bank dated on 8th of April 2023. This contra voucher is an example of bank-to-bank fund transfer within same organization. Next, ATM withdrawal of Rs 7,500 made for petty cash expenses 9th of April 2023. This contra voucher is an example of cash withdrawal of company's bank account. As per available information, we need to record 4 different contra vouchers in Tally Prime. Let's see how to record contra vouchers in Tally Prime. To record a contra voucher in Tally Prime, we should navigate Vouchers under Transactions menu from Gateway of Tally. To access contra voucher, press F4. We are on contra voucher creation page. Before recording a contra voucher transaction in Tally Prime, we can access F12 Configure to configure general details and bank details related to contra transaction. General details are: use credit debit instead of to buy during voucher entry, warn on negative cash balance, skip the date field during voucher creation, show current balance of ledgers, show balances as on voucher date, show final ledger balance. Under bank details, use default bank allocations, use auto check numbering, select check range, set ledger-wise bank allocations during voucher creation, print check after saving voucher, show check details before printing, provide cash denomination details, remove bank date while altering reconciled voucher. Accept as default. Contra voucher cash deposit. First transaction, cash of Rs 5,000 transferred to petty cash account dated on 1st April 2023. Press F2 to change the date. 1st of April 2023. Cash of Rs 5,000 transferred to petty cash. Hence, we will select petty cash account under account option. Press spacebar. Select petty cash account. We can see current balance is negative 1,200 rupees. We need to transfer funds from cash account. Press spacebar and select cash in hand ledger. Here we can see current balance under cash in hand is 10,500. Enter amount 5,000 rupees. Enter. Now we can see current balance under petty cash account as well as under cash in hand have been revised. Enter narration, being cash transferred to petty cash account. Enter to accept. Next transaction, cash of rupees 5,000 deposited in company's bank account dated on 6th of April 2023. Press F2 to change the date. 6th of April 2023. We have deposited cash of rupees 5,000 in company's bank account dated on 6th of April 2023. Press spacebar to select bank. Bank account as HDFC Bank account. Under particulars, select cash in hand ledger. Available balance under cash in hand is 5,500. We need to transfer 5,000 rupees. Enter 5,000. Enter. Under bank allocation screen, amount has been deposited in form of cash. Hence, transaction type selected as cash. Instrument number and other details not applicable. But here we need to update denominations of 5,000 rupees. Enter denominations. For example, 2 notes of 2,000 rupees and 2 notes of 500 rupees. Enter. We can see total of 5,000 rupees. Enter. Bank name, branch, received from, remarks as default. Enter. Being cash deposited in bank account. Enter and accept. Contra voucher interbank transfer. Next transaction, online funds of rupees 12,500 transferred from existing HDFC Bank account to company's new bank account IDFC Bank dated on 8th of April 2023. Press F2 to change date. 8th of April 2023. Under account, we need to select IDFC Bank as funds have been transferred to IDFC Bank. Press spacebar. Here we cannot see IDFC Bank account ledger. Use shortcut key Alt-C to create accounting ledger. Ledger name as IDFC Bank account. Group under bank accounts. Bank account details not available, set to be default. Enter and accept. Under particulars, funds have been transferred from HDFC Bank. Hence, press spacebar to select HDFC Bank account. Amount 12,500 rupees. It is a contra voucher for bank-to-bank transfer. Hence, we need to update bank allocations details for HDFC Bank as well as IDFC Bank. For HDFC Bank, payment is made via online. Hence, press spacebar to select transaction type as e-fund transfer. Amount 12,500. Account number 100100541. IFS code IDFC 0000001. Bank name IDFC First Bank India. SWIFT code not applicable. Instrument number for online transfer UTR 451578-9. Instrument date 8th of April 2023. Favoring name Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transfer mode NEFT. Other information default. Enter. Further, we need to update bank allocations for IDFC Bank, as we have already updated bank allocations for HDFC Bank. Hence, details are auto-filled for IDFC Bank allocations as well. We can see transaction type as e-fund transfer, amount, instrument number, date, bank, branch, received from, and transfer mode. Enter to accept. Narration being funds transfer to new bank account. Enter and accept the voucher. Next, ATM withdrawal of Rs 7,500 made for petty cash expenses, dated on 9th April 2023. It is a cash withdrawal. Press F2 to change date, 9th of April. Press spacebar. As payment is made for petty cash, we will select ledger as petty cash account. Enter. It is an ATM withdrawal. ATM withdrawal can be done either from HDFC Bank or IDFC Bank. Detail is not available. As default, we will select HDFC Bank account. Amount as 7,500. Enter. Bank allocation details for bank account. It is an ATM withdrawal. Press spacebar to select transaction type. Under transaction types, options like check, e-fund transfer, and others are available. To update ATM type of transaction, click on Show More. Under Show More, we can see option as ATM. As it is an ATM withdrawal, we will select transaction type as ATM. Instrument number, if any. For example, UTR 85741247. Enter. Favoring name self, as it is a cash withdrawal. Enter. Remarks and email ID as default. Enter. Narration being cash amount withdrew for petty cash expenses. Enter and accept. So this way, we can use contra voucher to record intercompany fund transfer, intercompany fund transfer such as cash to cash, bank to bank, cash to bank, and bank to cash.